In this guide, you'll learn how to enable voice navigation in Google Maps. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is launch your Google Maps app. Then click on the profile icon given at the top right. Now scroll down and head over to the option settings. Now navigate to the option navigation. Click on it. In this page, you're going to find out different options. Make sure the mute state is set to unmuted so voice directions will play while you are navigating. You can also adjust the guidance volume to make it louder and enable options like play voice over Bluetooth and play during phone calls so you can still hear directions when connected to your car. You can even run a quick test to hear what the voice navigation sounds like. If you want hands-free control, you can also turn on voice commands and simply say, "Hey Google," to activate them. If the voice navigation still does not work, try restarting the app. Completely close the app, then again relaunch it. Likewise, you can also toggle on and off Bluetooth. And that's it. With these, you'll be good to go. You have just enabled voice navigation in your Google Maps. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.